Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this tutorial I'm going to quickly show you how to pay for Tinder using Google Pay. So let's get into the video. So open up your Tinder account and then log into your account. So once you've logged into your account, so if you want to pay for Tinder subscription, so if you go to the subscription page here and then go to these payment page here, so if you want to subscribe for these, so you can choose whatever plan that you want, so you can just choose that and then hit on continue and then click on continue, and this will open up Google Play. So from here, if you want to use your GPay, your Google Pay as the payment method, simply click on the payment here, the arrow here, to select different payment methods. And then what you're going to do, you're going to click on pay with UPI, select the UPI option. And then what you're going to do now here is enter your UPI ID from your GPay. So if you open up your GPay, you will find your UPI ID there, so just underneath, so just copy that and then paste it here and then hit on continue. So when you hit on continue, then this will take you to your GPay screen where you need to enter your PIN and verify the payment so that it can access your payment. So verify the payment and get it paid, and that's pretty much it is. And that's how you can pay with Google Pay for Tinder. So it's pretty easy. Hope this video was helpful. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.